when we talk about a seat like Bathinda, what should one know, and more importantly, what are the citizens deciding in terms of their pressing concerns? Let me take that point across to my colleague Amandeep, who joins me live. Amandeep, very good morning to you. Of course, it's going to be very interesting, especially with the fact that the political landscape shift that we've seen in terms of Punjab, and now with the fact that I'm sure many citizens have pressing concerns which will help them better decide as to what the on-ground reality is like. Do they want the same story? Do they want a new one? Is something that you would better help us know with the fact that you would have had a conversation with them, Amandeep?
Well, absolutely, Navedna. Now the situation is being bit changed in the state of Punjab, especially in Bathinda as well. Just because it is a multi-cornered fight from Shromani Akali Dal, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, and even another Akali Bahu, Parampal Kaur Sidhu, is being fielded by the BJP. Aam Aadmi Party has pushed Minister of Bhagwant Man's council, Gurmeet Singh Khudian, from Bathinda Lok Sabha seat, and Congress has given a new face here in Jeet Mahinder Singh here in Bathinda as well. So it's a multi-cornered fight, and in fact the local issues are dominating the entire poll in Punjab. There was no national issue which was taken up by any political leader. When we are standing now, Navedna, I just wanted to show you that this is the polling booth where just few minutes from now Badal's family is going to cast their vote here. Security has been already up here, and in fact very soon they are coming out of their house residence and casting their vote here at this Badal village polling station. Just because it is known as a Badal's bastion, and everybody is expecting that might again Harsimrat Kaur Badal might get lead from here in Bathinda Lok Sabha seat, and in fact who's a three-time sitting MP and former union minister as well. But in 2022 assembly elections, this scenario has been little changed when Lambi seat, which was the home turf of Prakash Singh Badal, has been gone to the Aam Aadmi Party, who's the present minister. He himself is contesting from here Bathinda from the Lok Sabha seat as well. So it is a very interesting fight here in Punjab, in Bathinda as well. One of the hottest seat of Punjab, and another is Amritsar, Jalandhar and Sangrur also. So these are the key seats which are being remain in the focus in the state of Punjab, just because Punjab is witnessing the polls on all 13 seats, and in fact maximum security has also been put up, just because law and order situation was one of the poll issues, is one of the prominent issue in the state of Punjab, and the biggest concern of the election commission as well. And that is the reason 70,000 security personnel are on the ground to maintain the situation for the peaceful polling as well. And in fact including that, some paramilitary troops have also been deployed at the polling stations as well. So situation is quite interesting in the state of Punjab, Navedna, especially in Bathinda. Today, in 2019, there was a polling percentage was 65 point some percent, and this time all the political parties are expected to go beyond and to touch 70% polling. But the heat is another factor which might reduce the polling percentage as well, and that is the reason election commission has made all kind of arrangement at the polling stations to push the voters to come out of their houses to cast their vote, despite knowing that there is a heat wave in the state of Punjab as well. So this is the situation. But in this heat wave, the political heat ups are also here. Charanjit Singh Channi, former chief minister of Punjab, contesting from Jalandhar. Taranjit Singh Sandhu, ex-US ambassador, is being fielded by BJP from Amritsar, and Gurjeet Singh Aujla, sitting MP, is front of Taranjit Singh Sandhu. Sangrur is another Bhagwant Man's home turf, from where Congress Sukhpal Khera is contesting, and Aam Aadmi Party has fielded their minister Gurmeet Singh Meet here. So this is a very interesting poll where Aam Aadmi Party and Congress Party are in front of each other, confronting each other. Is a head-on collision despite having the Indie Bloc alliance partners, and here they are attacking each other just because the issues that are taken up by the political parties and that are dominating the Lok Sabha polls are the local issues. No national issue has been taken up so far. Yes, Naveed.